Hi everyone and welcome back to HomeHeadChef. Today we're going to be making a pumpkin white hot chocolate. Now this is a fantastic hot chocolate to have during the fall. We have those wonderful flavors from the pumpkin and the pumpkin spice. This is really going to be a treat. So let's step up to the cutting board and see what we need. For this recipe we are going to need 6 cups of milk. I like to use whole milk. 2 cups of heavy cream, 1 can of sweetened condensed milk, 1 can or 15 ounces of pumpkin puree. We're also going to need half of a tablespoon of pumpkin pie spice, 4 ounces of white chocolate that has been chopped. We're going to be making this in the crock pot, so it's actually really simple. We're going to start by combining all of our milk, our heavy cream, and our sweetened condensed milk into our crock pot and get this mixed up. Once those are thoroughly mixed, we're going to add in our pumpkin and get this thoroughly mixed in as well. Next goes in our pumpkin pie spice. Get that thoroughly mixed as well. And once that is mixed in, this will take a second. We're going to add in our white chocolate. Get that mixed in as well. We're going to place this on a low heat and we're going to let it cook for 3 hours. Now we're going to want to stir this every half an hour to an hour so that way nothing's sticking to the bottom or burning. Our pumpkin white hot chocolate is done. We have them in these beautiful glasses. I'm going to top it with a little bit of homemade whipped cream. If you're interested on how to make this, I have a recipe for it. I'll have a link for it in the description. I'm going to sprinkle on a little bit more pumpkin spice and a little bit of shavings of white chocolate as well. That looks fantastic. Let's get a taste. All right, let's get a taste. Let's be very careful because this is hot. That is so good. It's not overly sweet. You get a taste of the pumpkin plus the pumpkin spice, but the pumpkin spice is not overpowering. You get a little hint of the white chocolate as well. It's a fantastic pumpkin white hot chocolate. Hope you enjoyed this video, so please hit that thumbs up button. If you're new to the channel, please subscribe. If you're interested in the outdoors, I also have an outdoor channel as well. I'll drop a link from that in the description. Thanks for watching. We'll see you in the next one.